Hi, this is how you connect the JBL Go 5 to an Android phone. First, begin by turning the speaker on by pressing the on-off button on the side of it. If it's the first time you're turning the speaker on, it automatically starts up in pairing mode, ready to be connected to a new device, something that is indicated by that both the LED strips are blinking. If this is not the case, you need to enable pairing mode, something you do by pressing once on the Bluetooth symbol just below the on-off button on the side of the speaker. Make sure here that both the LED strips are now blinking like so. Now, depending on which phone you are using, the speaker might pop up automatically and can then be connected by just pushing the connect button on the screen. If not though, just open the settings app on your phone and select connected devices or similar. Then either tap on the speaker up the top if it's shown here like it is in this case, or select pair new device. Here the speaker should now pop up in the list of available devices where you just click on it and select pair to connect it to your Android phone. There. To get a little more out of the speaker, it is also very recommended to download and install the JBL Portable app. This is available through the normal Google Play Store like any other app. After installing the app, just open it and the Go 5 speaker should appear automatically in it since the speaker is already connected to your phone. In the app, you can change a lot of settings regarding the speaker, such as the mode for the light strips, the sound profiles, etc. Also, if you for any reason do not want the speaker to be connected to your phone anymore, you can easily make the phone forget it completely by again entering settings followed by connected devices. Here, find the speaker in the list of devices and then choose to forget it. Alright, that's about that. Thank you for watching and please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Bye!